Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to the English class. Today, let's learn a play about unity. It's called Unity is Strength. So, what do you mean by unity? Unity means a feeling of oneness or togetherness. Talking about unity, our country, India, is a country of many states. Each state has got a different culture, food habits and language. Yet we are all united. We are all one country. So here in this play called Unity is Strength, a moral story is presented in the form of a play. This is about three sisters, Meera, Seema and Kavita, who used to fight with each other always. One day, their mother uses some sticks to teach them a very important lesson in life, a very important lesson about unity. So, let's see the story, or if you please turn to page number 105 in your textbook. So, there is a warm-up session given in the page. Let's read the question. Do you fight with your siblings or friends? What do you say and do when you fight? How do you make up? So, do you ever get into fights with your siblings or friends? And do you hurt each other with words or actions? And how do you make up after the fight? Just think about it as a warm-up session. Now, let's see which are the characters in the story. So, there is a narrator, father, mother, three daughters, Meera, Seema and Kavita, and then villagers. So, the setting is a farm in a village. So, for the time being, I'll be the narrator. Once upon a time, in a little village, there lived a couple and their three daughters. The girls were helpful, kind and fearless, but they were always fighting with each other. So once upon a time in this little village, there lived a couple and they had three daughters, Meera, Seema and Kavita. And these girls were very good individually. They were helpful, they were kind and fearless. But when they do something together, like when they play together, they'll start fighting with each other. And one day, these girls were playing outside and their father is calling them. Meera, Seema, Kavita, come inside. Your mother has made laddus. The girls come in from the playground. So the girls were playing outside and their father called them inside to give them laddus that their mother made. And Meera says, what a wonderful smell. These laddus look delicious. I'll take the biggest one. To which Seema is replying, you always have the best of everything. I'll have the biggest laddu today. So Seema is complaining that Meera always gets the best of everything. So today, Seema will take the biggest laddu. And then what Kavita says? No, I'm the youngest, so I must have the biggest laddu. Move your hands away. So Kavita was the youngest of the three daughters. So she insisted that she, being the youngest, needs the biggest laddu. And then Meera was making fun of Kavita. So mockingly, she said to Kavita, you're such a baby. When will you grow up, Kavita? So Meera is making fun of Kavita. Then Seema, imitating Kavita, says, I'm the youngest. Haha, everyone knows she loves me the most. So Seema is imitating Kavita and mocking her by saying that she is the youngest. And Seema was saying everyone knows that her mother loves her the most. Then Meera says, oh God, both of you are so silly. I am the eldest, so obviously she loves me the most. The whole village knows that. So Meera was the eldest of the three daughters. So she made fun of the other two girls for being so silly and fighting with each other. And she was saying, she being the eldest, everyone knows that her mother loves her the most. And then Kavita says, let us ask father about this. Father, who do you think mother loves the most? It is me, isn't it? So Kavita, the youngest of the three daughters, is asking their father whom he thinks that their mother loves the most. And father says, our home will be filled with happiness the day you three stop arguing over such silly things. No laddus for any of you until you stop fighting. Go back outside and play in the shade. So their father got irritated and told his children that there will be a lot of happiness around if they stop arguing with each other or silly things. And since they were fighting with each other, he said there are no laddus for anyone until they stop fighting. And he asked them to go back to the playground and continue with their playing, but in the shade. They go out arguing. Some villagers passing by see the sisters fighting and stop. So all the villagers knew the three sisters would fight with each other all the time, and they used to make fun of it. So while they were playing outside, some villagers were passing by and they saw these girls fighting. And villager 1 is saying, fighting as usual. Then villager 2 says, I wonder why. Then the third villager, villager number 3, says, oh, it's just mindless fighting. They need to learn some kindness and generosity. So what he said? So he said that the girls may be fighting for some silly reasons. Then villager 2 says, look, they have started off again. Let's ask them why. So villager number 2 was suggesting that they can ask the children why they were fighting. Then villager 1 is asking to Kavita, why are you fighting, Kavita? Then Seema says, Seema is the one who replied to the question, Uncle, we used this old tire and built a swing. I want to swing on it first, but my sisters are fighting with me. So what was happening? They had built a swing with an old tire. She wanted to go on the swing first, but her sisters insisted that they should go first. So they were fighting with each other. And Seema was saying both her sisters were fighting with her. The villagers laughed and went on their way. So now the villagers are sure the girls are fighting over some silly reason as usual, and they smiled and went on their way. The parents watched the villagers laughing and their daughters fighting. So the parents saw these villagers laughing and passing by, looking at the silly fights of their daughters. And then the mother says with a sigh, girls, come, let's play a new game. Here, I will give each one of you 10 sticks. You have to break each stick into half. The one who does it first will get the biggest laddu. So the mother has come up with some game. She says to her daughters that she is going to give each of them 10 sticks each. They have to break these sticks into half. And the one who does it first, or the one who finishes breaking the sticks first, will get the biggest laddu. The girls seemed so happy. The girls got so excited. The girls started snapping the sticks in half. Within minutes, all the sticks were broken. So what happened? The girls were all so excited. They start snapping the sticks, and within minutes, all the sticks were broken into halves. It seems Meera finished first. So she says, I finished first. To which Seema replies, don't cheat. Mother knows that I finished first. Kavita. And then Kavita says, no, I was first. Right, father? So these girls started fighting with each other again. And then the father says, the game isn't over yet. Here is a bundle of sticks for each of you. So the father says, the game isn't over yet. And then he shows a bundle of sticks to be given to each of them. And the mother says, you can't take the sticks out of the bundle. You have to break the whole bundle. So in the beginning, the sticks were given as separate sticks. But now, the sticks are wrapped in a bundle. So each daughter will get a bundle. So they have to break the sticks in the bundle without taking any stick out of the bundle. And then mother gives a bundle of sticks to each of the girls. So Meera started trying hard to break the bundle of sticks. Oh father, I can't break the bundle. It's too hard. Then Seema was also trying hard, and she says, no way, mother. This is impossible. And then Kavita, with all her might, was trying hard to break the bundle, but then no one can break a bundle of sticks. Why did you give us such a task? So what happened? All these three girls were trying so hard to break the bundle of sticks, but none of them couldn't. And then mother says, you three are like these sticks. If you stay united, no one will be able to harm you in any way. If you don't stick together, everybody will laugh at you and trouble you. So what does the mother say? So the mother was comparing these girls to the sticks. They were able to break the sticks into halves when they were given separate sticks. But when they were given a bundle of sticks, they were not able to break the sticks. So just like that, if these girls stand together in all the situations, no one will be able to break them or harm them. That's what their mother was trying to teach them. So the three sisters understood the power of unity. Though it took them some time to change, they started helping each other and fought again. So these girls, even though it took them some time to realize it, they started helping each other more and be there for each other more. And they never fought again with each other. So they finally understood the power of unity. They finally understood that unity is strength. Hope you enjoyed this story. So children, staying united has great value in all walks of life. When we are united, when we stand together, we will be able to accomplish any goal or face any challenge. So that's all for today. I suggest you read the story once again. We'll see in the next class with the exercise from this chapter. Till then, bye.